Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that your device do not respond to your touches or any commands actually, then all you have to do is to simply try to force restart it. And in order to do that, you have to press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together, and to wait until you'll see the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me try to press both of those buttons. And ignore all of the all of the notifications, informations. As you can see, the screen is black and I felt the vibration. What's more, we can see the developer's logo right now, so it means that we just successfully restarted this device. Of course, we have to wait a second, and after that your device will be turned on, and I hope that the problems with the screen will disappear and it will work normally. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset, how to force restart your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.